Hello children, hope all are safe. I am Miss Divya Rohit. Today we are going to learn the second lesson, Fun with Numbers. So you are very familiar with the numbers, is it? And numbers are just mathematical expression we use for counting. Here this is the copy of your Maths textbook. This is the second lesson, page number 1. Here you can see some children are playing here. Here we can read what they are doing. Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli seeds. Imli otherwise tamarind seeds. These are Gauri, Radhika, Gauri, Sunil, Indra and Vicky. What they were doing? They were collecting the tamarind seeds. Here we can see what they were saying. Look, this is Radhika. What she was saying? She was saying that I have picked 24 seeds. So how many seeds Radhika picked? She picked 24 seeds. Next one is Gauri. Hooray! I got 47 seeds. So Gauri has collected 47 seeds. Next, here see what Sunil is doing. Sunil is counting the number of seeds that he has collected. Here are my 38 seeds. So how many seeds Sunil had collected? He had collected 38 seeds. Now next is Indra. I got 54 seeds. Here Indra has collected 54 seeds. Next one is I think I have collected 42 seeds. So this one is Vicky and he had collected 42 seeds. According to the number of seeds collected by them, we have to complete the fill in the blanks here. Okay, here I have written the number of seeds collected by them. Here Radhika 24, Gauri 47, Vicky 42, Indra 54 and Sunil 38. These are the number of seeds collected by them. Now first question is dash collected the most seeds. Most seeds means maximum number of seeds. Who had collected the most number of seeds here? Here let us find out which is the largest number. Here Radhika 24, 47, 42, 54 and 38. Which is the largest number here? The largest number among this is 54. And who has collected 54 seeds? That's Indra who has collected 54 seeds. So the answer is Indra. We can write the answer here, Indra. I-N-D-R-A. So it's Indra who collected the most seeds. Next question. Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Here see Sunil has collected 38 seeds and Vicky collected 42 seeds. So how many seeds Sunil have to collect more in order to make it equal to that of Vicky? That means he have to, how many seeds he have to collect to make it 42. So to get the answer we have to deduct 38 from 42. So 42 minus 38. What will be the answer? The answer is 4. So Sunil have to collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Now next question. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. Here Radhika is already having 24 seeds. She had collected 24 seeds. If she gets 6 more seeds, what will be the total number of seeds she will have? So for that we have to add 24 and 6. So we can add here 24 plus 6. If you add 24 plus 6, what will be the answer? The answer will be 30. So if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have a total of 30 seeds. Next question. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Here more than 40, where are they? 47, 42, 54. Gauri, Vicky and Indra had collected more than 40 seeds. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So the number of children who have more than 40 seeds, how many are there? There are 3 children. Next question. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. That means among them, the one who collects 3 more seeds, their total will be equal to 50. Here let us see, Radhika is having 24 seeds. If she collects 3 more seeds, that means 24 plus 3. What will be her total? 24 plus 3 is 27. So it is not Radhika because the total, when 3 is added, the total should be 50. Next one, we can see the next one, Gauri. Gauri is having 47 seeds. If you add 3 more seeds, let us see what will be the total. So 47 plus 3 is 50. So if Gauri collect 3 more seeds, she will have a total of 50. So the answer is Gauri. So here I can write the answer here, Gauri. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. 2 seeds less than 40 means 40 minus 2. 40 minus 2 is 38. Here Sunil is having 38 seeds. And Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. 2 seeds more than 40 means 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is 42. Here see who is having 42 seeds. Here Vicky is having 42 seeds. So the answer is Vicky. We can write the answer here, Vicky. 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 So who has two seeds more than 40? It's Vicky. Okay. We can see it once more. Who collected the most seeds? It's Indira who has collected the most seeds because she is having 54 seeds, which is the highest number among all. Next, Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. If Sunil collects 4 more seeds, his total will be equal to that of Vicky, that is 42 seeds. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have, if Radhika is collecting 6 more seeds, she will have a total of 30. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Here, Gauri, Vicky and Indra are having more than 40 seeds. So, how many are there? There are 3. There are 3. So, the answer is 3. Next, Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Who needs 3 more seeds? If Gauri collects 3 more seeds, her total will be equal to 50. Then Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40. Sunil is having 38 seeds and Vicky is having 40 seeds.